Hey guys, it's Mr. Parvenu. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add money to Cash App. I'm also going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube. I made over $100,000 on YouTube, and I want to show you guys the proof and everything. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end because you're not going to want to miss this. So guys, first thing you want to do if you're trying to add money to your Cash App account, you need to go ahead and open up Cash App. Once you have Cash App opened up, you want to go to the top right corner of the screen and you're going to click on this profile icon. When you click on the profile icon, come down here to where it says link banks. You click on link banks and it takes you to your it takes you to your Cash App. So it takes you it takes you to your this section right here where you can link either your bank account. If you link your bank account, yeah, definitely. You can link your bank account. You can link a credit card or you can link a debit card. It's up to you. I think if you want to link your bank account, you're going to have to end up linking your debit card first. So just click on one of these options, link a debit card. And then after you have some type of debit card linked, you want to go back to the home screen. So go back, hit this little X, and you want to add money to your Cash App by coming down here to the bottom left corner of the screen, clicking on this icon where you can, this is your Cash App balance. You click on that and you can see your cash balance right here. Now this tells you how much money you already have on your Cash App account. For the example of this video, I have $3 on there. So now let's say I want to add money. I will go ahead and click on add cash. And then I'm able to choose how much I want to add to my Cash App from this screen right here. I'm going to click these three dots right here and choose a custom amount. And then you just hit add. And what happens is Cash App goes ahead and add that money. Your debit card, your bank, go ahead and send that money to Cash App. So now I added $1 to my Cash App. So when I hit done down here, boom, you can see that I now have $4 on my Cash App instead of $3. All right. Now let's talk about how to make money on YouTube, because I earned over $100,000 on YouTube, and I'm gonna show y'all proof so that y'all will see that I'm not just talking. All right. If I go to my YouTube studio here, right here, and I click on it, and this is just one YouTube channel that I have. I got multiple YouTube channels, guys, but I will go to analytics, right? When I click on analytics and I come over here to where it says revenue, I click revenue, and I'm giving you guys, I'm showing you guys behind the scenes of like all of this stuff. So like, look at this. I click right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click this right here, and look, $100,000 generated from YouTube, guys, estimated revenue. And just to show you that it's real, I'm gonna go ahead and swipe down on the screen so that it can refresh. And as you can see, it's still $100,000. Now, how did I do this? All right, so this channel right here this is a faceless YouTube channel. I didn't use AI technology or none of that. I just simply used my iPhone, and I pretty much just made a bunch of videos where I was showing people different things. This right here, this is my tutorial channel, but I have other YouTube channels. You can grow in any niche, guys. You don't have to stick to just one niche. You could do tutorial videos, you can do gameplay videos, you can do cooking videos. All of these are different niches. You see how I named those different niches just that quick? Cooking, gaming, YouTube, stocks. These are all niches, guys. Just pick you a niche that you're going to make videos in. All right. For example, if you're going to be talking about stocks and investing in stocks and stuff, how to invest in stocks for beginners and all that stuff, right? What you're going to do is you're going to do your research to figure out what is it that people really want to know, like what type of video are they looking for, and your job is to make that video for that group of people. All right, because in every niche there's a group of people and they're looking for certain type of stuff and they're on YouTube trying to find it. So what you're going to do is you're going to give them value. You're going to help them get what they're looking for, and you're going to do that in your videos. Now look, if you're a brand new YouTube channel just now starting off, of course, don't expect to get like a ton of views on your first couple videos. It literally took my videos it literally took like 6 months just for one of my videos to pop off. All right. So be consistent, upload, I say about twice a week, and do that for at least 6 months to a year. If you don't see no results, then you can decide if you want to quit or not. But the problem with a lot of people, they quit too fast. They quit too instant. They'll make 3 videos, and then since they don't see no views, they'll quit. That's what you don't want to do. Just because your videos are not getting views does not mean that in the future there's not going to get views. You see what I'm saying? The way it works is you have to get your videos enough time to get into the YouTube algorithm, and then you can start seeing traction on your videos. Now, the way that YouTube works is you got to get a certain amount of views in order to get paid. So 1,000 views would equal a certain amount of money. That's what I'm trying to say. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? They pretty much pay depending on what niche you're in. If you're talking about stocks and stuff like that, YouTube might pay you $20 per 1,000, $15 per 1,000 just for talking about stocks. If you're talking about gameplay videos or something like that, YouTube might pay you $6,000 per gameplay video or something like that. It depends. Nobody can really give you a solid number because it varies. All right. Now, they got what's called CPMs. CPM is cost per impression. And that's pretty much what I just explained to y'all, how much you get paid for your views. All right. Different video, different niches and stuff got different CPMs. All right. Now YouTube pays out, I think, YouTube pays every month on the 21st or something like that. You get paid a check every month on the 21st. You can get that money sent straight to your bank account. Once you get it to your bank account, you can then just go back to Cash App. Let's go back into Cash App. Where'd it go? Cash App. Okay, go back into Cash App and you can start adding money to your Cash App. That's why I wanted to show y'all how to add money to Cash App, because a lot of my viewers, they're going to be starting YouTube channels. All right. If you're watching this video, you probably on my channel trying to figure out how to, get going with YouTube and stuff. They're going to be trying to make money on YouTube and stuff like that, because I'm pretty much just telling people the sauce. But anyway, the way you add money, once you get your money from YouTube, you get it sent to your bank account or whatever, you can just come to Cash App and add money. Just like I showed y'all, pretty much would go up here, click on that profile icon, go to Cash App. Go to the link bank, link your bank and everything, and then add cash. That's pretty much what you would do right there. So Cash App, Cash App is one of my favorite apps because it's like a really easy way to just transfer money and stuff like that. So, but yeah, with YouTube, what I would say, if you're trying to start you a YouTube channel or whatever, and you want to do a faceless channel, just pull out your phone. You could just record with your iPhone. You don't need to be good at AI technology and stuff, because I literally built that channel. This channel right here that paid me this 100,000, it was from regular videos, just me using my iPhone. All right. So hopefully this was valuable to y'all. Let me go back to Cash App. I'm gonna show y'all how to add money one more time. Hopefully this was valuable to y'all. But this is again how you add money. You will go up here to this profile icon right here. You click it. You'll scroll down to where it says link banks. You'll link banks, and then you'll link your debit card here. And then after you link your debit card, you can link a bank account and stuff like that. And once you did that, you will come back. You will go back to the home screen here, and like I said, you'll hit this add cash button, and then you should be able to add the amount that you want to add to your Cash App from here. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, because I gotta know if y'all like this type of content or not. If I don't see no thumbs up, then I'm gonna assume that y'all not interested in these type of videos. But if I do see a thumb up, then I'm gonna know that, okay, they're interested in this. I might drop more content like this. So give it a thumbs up if you're interested. If it was some knowledge that you wanted to know, give it a thumbs up. All right. And if you want to see more of my videos, definitely subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.